Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today's video is sponsored by a company called IZIWIGS. I will tag everything down in the description box below as far as information goes. And as always, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and follow your girl on Instagram at _Cassandra Olivia. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Good morning. So real quick, I'm just showing you guys the packaging. This is the box that the hair came in. It says premium human hair wigs, and this is also what came inside the box. The wig, of course, they did add a wig cap and a weaving net, as well as a comb and some adjustable clips to sew into the hair if you want to make a wig. So I'm just showing you guys everything. The comb was really cute. It gave me Barbie vibes, and it gave me like that plasticky feel of a comb when you're like a little kid and you just have like that play set. So I definitely gave that to my daughter. And then this is just the specs for the hair. It does have a frontal, it's a 13x4, and it is 150% density. This hair is a natural brown. It also has the 3 clips in the top standard and the 1 clip in the back, along with the adjustable straps in the back. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what the knots look like. They were not bleached, and normally I don't bleach my knots, but because I've been super bored in the house being quarantined, I decided why not. So when I bleach my hair, I always go in with a plastic cap or bag, and I cover my mannequin head just to be on the safe side, because I try not to get color and bleach on my mannequin heads too much through trial and error. So you just want to make sure you have a brush and a bowl. And I'm just going in with the Kaleidoscope Blue that I got from Sally Beauty a while back from 30 Volume Developer. And I'm just going to throw this inside of the bowl and start to mix. You want it to be a thick consistency. I'll say a little bit thicker than whipped cream, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So I'm just gonna whip this until all the bubbles and the chunks get out, and I kind of just eyeball this. There's no method to my madness. This is super easy, so just take your time. And whenever I put this on, I'm just gonna show you guys too. You wanna make sure that it sticks to your brush. It's not liquidy. So I'm gonna go in at one point and just put it on my brush. I'm gonna turn my brush upside down just so you guys can see the thickness and kind of the porosity, how it's not running. It's very thick, and you just want it to be like that all over. So how it is right here. See, it's not moving. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this all over, and then I am going to let this sit. If you wanna process this faster, you can always put it under some lights or in some heat. Just be careful not to over process. And I did leave that for 25 minutes. So afterwards, I'm just showing you guys what the knots look like. They were bleached. I didn't go in with the purple or blue shampoo, but if I went in with that Brass Soft blue shampoo that I just purchased, it would have made the orange tone out a little bit better. But because I'm not planning on selling this unit, I'm just going to rock out. So I'm just going in now, just cutting the lace off of this unit. You want to make sure that you take your time doing one side at a time and clip the hair back, because it's nothing worse than cutting the hair in the front of your hairline and then you got a whole situation going on. I did not pluck this unit only because I don't plan on wearing this frontal style. Being in the house and not being able to go anywhere, I don't have anywhere to go, and I don't like to glue my unit. So I'm just going to wear this closure style, which means it's going to be down without any glue, but I'm also just going to keep the part in the middle. I don't plan on wearing this up. If I plan on wearing it up, I would have plucked probably the hell out of this, and I would have also made sure to glue it down, but yeah, not doing that. And also, I'm getting some new glue, so I probably will glue this unit down in a couple of days, just not today, guys. So I'm just going in with my bed head crimper, and I'm going in and crimping one side, and I just want to show you guys the difference between the left and the right. And I'm going in also pulling out those little flyaways. So this is the natural curl pattern after it's washed and air dried. It's cute. I could have definitely worn her like this, but I just wanted to add a little bit of body and personality to this hair because it is short. This is a 14-inch unit. And yeah, I just thought, being cute in the house for no reason, trying to flex on the gram. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, follow me at _Cassandra Olivia, and you'll be able to see the behind the scenes footage of me doing my video and also popping this wig on. So yeah, I'm just getting rid of those little flyaways, and this is pretty much it, guys. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy today. As always, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Follow IZIWIGS, and I will tag the information down below along with the tools that I use. And everybody have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.